Worldwide, only 10% of the collected plastic has been recycled. The remaining 90% is burned in the furnace. With the production of the Spark Bridge, we contribute to the solution of this problem. The Spark Bridge is a fully circular 3D printed bridge. We process plastic waste into a compound. During this process, glass fiber will be added to the plastic waste to optimize the mechanical properties. This results in a new glass fiber reinforced thermoplastic material. In this way, plastic waste is transformed into a usable basic raw material for the 3D printer. At the end of the life cycle, the bridge will be repossessed and completely recycled. The process then starts all over again, making it fully circular. The printing process is a very efficient production method. As a result, production waste is almost negligible, and the chance of failure due to the automated process is minimalized. In addition, it offers great freedom of design. With this innovative solution, we maximize your circular objectives.